As Bootstrap is a series of HTML, CSS and JavaScript files, we'll mainly be working with those file formats. As such, you will need to be familiar with these three areas. You are not required to have an in-depth knowledge of these particular areas, but you should have at least a working knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. For example, we will be adding HTML tags to create the structure of our page. From the Bootstrap CSS library, we'll be adding classes from there to our HTML tags. And at times we're going to be creating our own custom CSS and adding extra CSS to style the page in our own unique way. We will only be adding a little JavaScript to make some of the components work, such as the image carousel, and this will mainly be done using jQuery. You probably only need a very minimal knowledge of the JavaScript language. And obviously, because we're doing work in HTML, CSS and JavaScript, you will need access to a code editor or a plain text editor. I'm going to be using Adobe Edge Code, but this is also available as an open source and free code editor known as Brackets. You can get this from the URL brackets.io.